our dermatological and cosmetological practices. Today we are going to see something very important, which is chronic and which affects a man's temperament in life. See, this is a 35 years old male suffering from lesions, rash lesions across his face. It's something like a malware rash, and he's suffering from that for last 10 years. This is lichen simplex chronicus. We are going to see what the lesions and how we are going to treat it. Hi. So let's see. He is having lichenified lesions across his face, and which has decreased the aesthetic value of the face. He is suffering from this lesion for last 15 years. There is no specific history. What we will be doing, we will be having a phenol peel across the lesions, and also we will be injecting intradermal corticosteroids like Tricort with hyaluronic acid for long lasting effect. And we will also have a face rejuvenation laser, and after 15 days we will be able to see the difference. This is the second 15-20 days ago I had, 10 days ago we had done a lighter phenol peel. We will be doing a deeper phenol peel today, and we will be able to spot the differences. So this is lichen simplex chronicus, and we will be dealing it. This is frosting. This is what happening here. It is frosting, and this will cure. Okay. Hi. Now we will be injecting intralesional corticosteroids. Okay. चालू करो. काम चालू करो. And the black reduction of the blackness. The skin should be okay. This is what we intend to do. What we are doing, localize here. Now this area. Yeah. You can spot the difference. See, the lichenification has reduced dramatically, and this is just post session. This is the condition. We will be updating after say 15 days. We will be able to see more of a changes. Okay, thank you.